Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Acer TL14-42M laptop. This laptop comes with the AMD Ryzen 37330U, 8GB RAM, and 512GB SSD. Let's check the design, performance, display, battery, and my final opinion. Design and build. The laptop has a clean and simple design. It is lightweight and easy to carry. The build quality feels solid for daily use. 14-inch Full HD display with thin bezels. Performance. This laptop is good for office work, browsing, watching videos, online classes, and light editing. Ryzen 37330U is smooth and fast for normal tasks. Boot time is very quick. Not for heavy gaming, but light games run okay. Display. The 14-inch Full HD panel gives sharp and clear quality. One special feature is the 180-degree hinge. You can open the laptop completely flat, up to 180-degree angle. This is useful for presentations, desk sharing. Keyboard and jack. The keyboard is comfortable for typing. Ports include USB ports, HDMI, audio jack, and charging port. Who should buy? This laptop is perfect for students, office users, travelers, and daily home use. If you want a budget laptop with good performance, this is a nice option. Final. Value for money laptop. Good speed, good display, and lightweight design. Best for normal work and daily use. Starting price is $29,000. The price may change based on offers, sales, and online stores. The Acer laptop has an overall rating of 4 stars on Flipkart. Overall Goof 1.